Hello, and thank you for joining me for another exciting episode of the home body weight workout, home workout. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to do an ab workout. And one of the best ab workouts I've found are just, simple crunches, chair crunches. You can certainly do them on the floor as well, but you can also do them on a chair, and they're fabulous for getting fit. For losing the extra bulkage around the waist. So anyway, and you can do them many ways. I mean, you can certainly do them at a longer angle, with your feet out. You can do them just straight up and down like this, which is what I'm going to do today. Or you can do that at a midway point as well. But today, I'm going to put my feet very close to the chair. Okay. And so basically, on the chair this way, the side view. My feet are very close to the chair. So turning back this way. Okay. So basically, just bring your feet up. Keep your back straight. Try not to move your back. Okay. And just up, 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 up. Keep going, and then to sort of target the obliques, you can just move your feet from side to side. And sort of target the obliques. So that's basically it for the chair crunches, and just keep doing them. Don't rest too long, and then get your side to side. Just kind of drag your feet up at kind of an angle, as if you're dragging your feet this way. It really helps to target the obliques. Again, just straight up, and then target the obliques. Yeah. You notice it does get pretty exhausting after a while. But the crunches are excellent for tightening up the abs. I also do as I'm doing my aerobic workout, I'll lift up my legs and swing my feet from side to side, as I'm doing an aerobics workout. You can see that in another video. And that also is very good for the abs and the obliques. All right, so let's start again. So again, just bring them straight up. Keep your back straight. Keep my hands on the chair here to offer a bit of support. And then swing the feet from side to side. And you can also hold it there. And you can really feel it targeting the obliques and tightening up the obliques there. But this is a fantastic exercise. In addition to sit-ups, sit-ups are fabulous too. But crunches are also as effective, if not more so, than sit-ups. And you can do them easily at home on a chair if you don't have any sort of a machine or an implement for doing sit-ups. It's always best if you have something to hold your feet, but if you don't have that, it can be a little more difficult to do the sit-ups. All right, so let's go again. Just keep going. Try not to rest too long. You can really, really bring your abs to several points of fail. And you should bring them to several points of fail, to tighten them up, because, boy, anything you eat is going straight to your gut. And so you really have to be mindful of that and work your abs hard. I mean, if you want to lose those extra pounds. But a combination of aerobics and ab exercises is really key to keeping your your midsection fit and trim. All right. So aerobics and also sit-ups, crunches, things of that nature. Good solid ab exercises are what you need to keep the midsection fit. Whew, okay. All right, this time I'll just do obliques specifically. So I'm just bringing my legs up and back. It's a very nice little exercise, very effective. And like I said, as I'm doing aerobics, you know, I can just, you know, as I'm standing up, just kind of, I can even do them in the chair. And that targets the obliques as well. Just kind of lift one leg up and over and hold it in a difficult position. Okay. So that's just an additional. There are many ways to, you can be creative in targeting different parts of your body, different muscles. All right, so let's go again. And back. And yeah, my obliques are getting pretty tired now. My abs are getting pretty tired now, which is good. That means, you know, when you do your ab exercises, it really continues to burn fat for quite a few hours afterwards, you know. So you should work them as hard as you can. So it'll continue to burn fat even if you cheat a little bit on your diet. All right, so I'm probably nearing the end of the ab exercise workout. But you know, like I said, not to belabor the point, but to really get a nice ab midsection. So do the aerobics, you know, whatever aerobics you like to do, whether it's running, bicycling, whether it's, you know, aerobics where you're, you know, doing this to the music or what have you. But you do need to get some aerobics, get the heart rate going, and then do some ab exercises, some challenging ab exercises, sit-ups, crunches, oblique crunches. Okay. To target those midsection areas, you know, so you get a nice fit midsection, and you're proud of your accomplishments, you know. All right, so let's go one more time, 1 or 2 more times. Okay, let's go 2 more times. Feeling a nice tight midsection now, so that's absolutely what I'm after here. I'm after the tight midsection, you know, to keep it nice and tight. Especially because I'm not such a young man anymore. I really need to be mindful of that so you can get out of control quickly. All right, so up. And side to side, which is getting harder and harder. Okay, so I think I've about reached the end of the ab workout there. And so it's been great. It's been a great little ab workout this morning. Just remember, you know, you can work out the abs pretty much every day. If you have the time, and you know, you can do them on the floor. You can do sit-ups on the floor, or crunches in different directions with different foot positions at different angles. Just be mindful of your back. Keep your back straight. Anyway, thank you very much for joining me, and I really appreciate it. Keep strong and keep working hard on your exercise regimen at home, and you know, just stay strong. Bye bye. See you next time. Thank you.